Welcome once again to my channel, Fox Business. My name is Sofosu Godwin, a marketing professional and a marketing trainer. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 basic digital marketing skills for startup businesses. So if you are starting a business and you have no digital marketing skill, nothing, this video is for you. Subscribe by hitting on the subscribe button on the screen, comment, and like. In this world of the internet and digitization and related technologies, every business needs to be online, have to be present online. Why? Because your customers are online, and so you have to be where they are. But for most startups, a lot of startups lack basic digital marketing skills. In this 21st century, there are businesses running that does not have any presence on the digital world, be it on social media and the internet as a whole. Join me as I take you through some of the basic skills that you need to know. The first thing I'm going to talk about is local SEO. Local SEO simply means local search engine optimization. This is quite simple. Businesses that optimize their business for local search or local SEO enjoy this benefit. When people go on the internet, for example, on Google, and search for businesses near them, all those businesses that are registered on Google My Business shows up in the results. But this may depend on also some other factors in terms of showing up among the top rank or the top results. So it is important that every startup have this skill, local SEO skill, and I'm going to recommend to you Google My Business. Google My Business is a free tool that enables you to list your business on the internet, so that when people go on the internet and search either on the search engine or on Google Maps, your business also pops up among the results of businesses that pops up. So if the person types in a keyword or a phrase that is related to your business or to your products and services, your business also pops up. Google My Business should be the number one skill for me that every startup should have. If you're a startup out there and you don't have a Google My Business account, it is now time to go on the internet and learn how to set up a Google My Business account. It is now easy to set a Google My Business account. Looking at the verification principles being easier now, you can go and then search for Google My Business and learn about how to set up a Google My Business account. You list your business there. Ensure that you enter all the information given. As time goes on, you get to learn more about this very particular tool, right? It's going to give you data or analytics about how people have interacted on your page or on your profile or on your account, the number of people that called, right? The number of people, as a matter of fact, that even ask for direction, what keywords that actually pops up results, including yours, and so on and so forth. This should be the number one skill for every business. So if you're a startup and you don't have a local SEO, that is local search engine optimization skill, then you need to go online and learn this now. The next skill I'm going to talk about is social media skills, which is a very basic digital marketing skill that every business or every startup must know. If you are starting up and you are posting on your personal page, your personal social media page, you are actually not doing the right type of digital marketing. Even though your personal page can also be used to market products, it's good enough to have your business on a business page. So you need to create a social media business page. You can create a business page on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, LinkedIn, etc. And this will help put your brand across the internet. It is important to have very, very, very good social media skills if you are starting up there. The competition is great, but there are still opportunities on social media. With social media usage growing day in and day out, every business or every startup needs this basic skill, that is social media skills, social media management skills. Your presence on social media could help grow your business and skyrocket your sales. So optimize your business for social media by having a social media business account instead of using your personal account. You can learn this skill on the internet. There are a lot of free resources on the internet. You can learn this skill to get your business started and to develop your online presence and your digital footprint online. Another aspect of digital marketing skills that every startup should also get to know is creating social media content, the appropriate content that resonates with your target audience. You are a salon, for example, and you target females. What type of content do you think will appeal to this female target audience? It is important to understand the various formats of content. You need this skill. How to create short videos, how to post photos, posters, and what have you. So as a startup, it is also important for you to learn about social media content creating skills. Right? You need to understand basic graphic design skills as well. And there are free graphic design tools on the internet that you can download and use to create your posters. They are free on the various stores on your Android and then your other smartphones. You can download them and practice them. The more you practice, the more you become acquainted with these tools. And these tools will help you or enable you to create graphics professionally. As a startup, you may not have the resources to acquire the services of an agency or a consultant. So you can, as a matter of fact, download some of these free graphic design tools which are user-friendly and design your posters. You can read more on the internet about how to create content, how to create some of these posters, how to create video content. It is important to learn and understand and get to know the right content to post and the content that will actually bring you leads and, as a matter of fact, reflect on your balance sheet. You can learn more on content creation. For example, you can also learn about how to schedule your content, right? And then get to know when to post to reach out to your target audience. Another skill in social media is how to use hashtags. You can see the hashtag sign on the screen. Hashtags are a form of or a way that people use to search for things on social media. And so if you use appropriate hashtag and people search, you are likely that you also fall within that particular search result. In fact, for example, if you're running a salon, one of your hashtags may be hashtag salons near me, hashtag salon, let's say you are in London or let's say you are in Lagos, hashtag salons in Lagos, or you are in Brownstown, hashtag salons in Brownstown, hashtag hairstylist in Brownstown. All these are skills that you need as a beginner. So when you post your content and then you add your text, beneath the text you need to have your hashtags there, and these hashtags will help you reach out to the right audience. Some customers search using these hashtags, and you might be lucky to find your next customer through hashtags. Another skill that startups also need to get to know is social media analytics. If you don't know where you are going, you will definitely don't know whether you have been able to achieve your objectives. In fact, you set up the social media platform, a profile to generate business and to generate results, but you don't know what is working and what is not working. As a startup, you need to learn about social media analytics. Almost all the social media platforms have analytics, a place where you can gather data. What I mean by analytics is that results or information on your performance or on the performance of your post on social media. This information is very important. You need the skill to gather this data on how your videos perform, how your photos perform, how your tests perform, how your posters perform. This will enable you to measure your success and get to know which content works best, at what time, and when to post these contents. It is important to always check your analytics. If you look at this, most of the platforms, you will find there's a section there, post insights. Some use post insight. Click on the post insights and then it shows up for you to basically see your performance. And this will help you know where and how to plan your content. The next thing I'm going to talk about is social media shops. As startups, you may not have the necessary capital to run an e-commerce shop or an internet shop, big one. So you can also make use of social media shops. So it's one skill that you also need, understanding on how to create shops on social media. And the very shop that I would recommend for you is on Facebook. As a Facebook shop, it's easy to create Facebook shop. Just look on top of the page and you will find an icon in the form of a shop. You click on that icon and then you are there. It is easy to list and it's free within your area if you are listing, unless maybe probably you want to opt for other services. It is free. Facebook shops is free. There's also Facebook Marketplace where you can also take advantage as a startup, right? So it is easy to learn these particular skills. Just go online and there are articles, thousands of articles on how to set up a social media shop. There are also shops from Instagram and other platforms, social media platforms, that you can also set up a shop. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section. And watch out for my next video. Thank you.